Today's topic for discussion is the anatomy of petiole of Marsilia. The stalk-like structure of leaf, it is known as petiole. And let us see the transverse section of petiole or anatomy of petiole of Marsilia. Marsilia, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see all the details of petiole or internal structure of petiole of Marsilia. The internal structure of petiole of Marsilia, the photograph is shown in the slide. It has a outermost layer which is known as epidermis, and epidermis is single layered. The cells are compactly arranged. Just below the epidermis, hypodermal layer is there as shown in photograph. And then there is the region of cortex. Cortex or the ground tissue, it is also known as ground tissue. The cortex again, that is divided into two regions, that is outer cortex and inner cortex. The outer cortex that consists of large air chambers or air spaces. The air spaces also called as aerenchyma or lacunae. The aerenchyma or the air spaces that are separated by a septa or by a single celled wall. And then next to the outer cortex, inner cortex is placed. The inner cortex of petiole, it is made up of parenchymatous cells. The cells are arranged compactly without intercellular spaces. In the inner cortex, some tannin cells are present. Presence of tannin cell, again it is a characteristic feature of petiole of Marsilia. The tannin cells may be randomly distributed. They may be present here and there. And in the central region of the petiole, there is a stele. This stele is more or less triangular in outline, and the stele is surrounded by a single layer of endodermis. Endodermis is single layered. Cells compactly arranged, barrel shaped. Endo means inner, dermis means skin. Endodermis is single layered. And the stele possesses capital V-shaped xylem, and the xylem is exarch type. Exarch type of xylem means in which the protoxylem is placed toward the peripheral region of the petiole. And the two arms of V-shaped xylem are quite separate and somewhat curved from each other. And the V-shaped mass of xylem, it is surrounded by phloem tissue. It is surrounded by phloem, and in the petiole of Marsilia, pericycle is also there, which is placed very close to the endodermis. The end of each arm of V-shaped xylem are protoxylem groups, whereas the middle region of the arm of V consists of large tracheids representing the metaxylem groups or metaxylem cells. The opening of V-shaped xylem is always towards the axis, that is adaxial side. This is all about the internal structure of petiole of Marsilia or anatomy of petiole of Marsilia.